Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of the updates in the financial markets that are just going to be really exciting and also to give you more deep insights and views on what's going on. First of all, I would like to actually talk about financial markets which are actually showing positive dynamics about the approval of emergency use of Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine by the United Kingdom, which have we seen early this week, and it was a positive by the markets as mass vaccination in the UK has started, and it will officially begin on December 7th. However, such developments were mostly expected by investors and would hardly make them agitated. The infection spread in the United Kingdom declined by almost half in November. Overall, the pandemic situation in Europe is improving too. Now, when we talk about United States, fiscal stimulus package negotiations resumed in the United States. However, significant disagreements between Republicans and Democrats also remain in between. So, it is not clear whether this round of discussion would lead to the approval of the bill. President Joe Biden elect said he would examine punitive tariffs on Chinese goods which was imposed by Donald Trump before any rolling back. US China relations remains tense as sitting President Donald Trump is ready to launch additional sanctions on China. Nevertheless, the stock market in the US are up again. The S&P 500 Broad Market Index set another record on Thursday. Technically, the index is looking for next target at 3,700 points with a possible correction after testing it. The appetite for risk is gradually recovering. US 10 years benchmark treasuries yields rose to 0.9% that we saw after the gradual recovery. When we talk about gold prices continue to recover too, performing gains for the third trading sessions in a row. The recovery in gold prices are mostly related to the decline of the greenback. The US dollar index dived below 91 points as we saw early this week. Resumed negotiation on stimulus measures in the US favors gold too. When we talk about Brent crude, the prices are consolidating within the range of $46.85 to $49.09 per barrel, while gravitating more to the upper margin of this range. Such dynamic hints on the possible swift breakthrough of this range in an upward direction. In this case, the rally in Brent crude prices may extend to $54 per barrel. The fortunate sentiment of the market is supporting the rally in risky assets, including oil. The data on US crude reserves released this Wednesday was unexpectedly positive, nudging prices upwards. Crude reserves in US declined by 700,000 barrels, with gasoline reserves up by 3.5 million barrels, and it distillates up by 3.2 million barrels. According to Energy Information Administration data that was actually released, that's where we got the figure from. Traders are anxiously waiting for OPEC decision on possible production cuts extension for the first month of 2021. OPEC representatives include that there are 3 more months of maintaining existing cuts are possible, and such scenario is already priced in. After several days of harsh negotiation, Saudi Arabia, Russia, and United Arab Emirates are seen close to the decision, but detail of it are still unclear. Reuters, citing a source in OPEC, reported that OPEC has agreed to lift up the cuts by 0.5 basis points starting January 2021. In case of large case of crude production in the beginning of 2021, crude prices may decline significantly amid still roaring pandemic with potential new lockdowns that will curb global demand for oil and petrochemicals. So that's all for the day, guys. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.